One.
Hi guys, welcome to this Moneycontrol live stream. You're watching Midday Market Mood Check with me, Nandita Khemka, and my colleague Yatin Mota. Well, Yatin, we started off on a very strong note today. In fact, we were just very close to that 21,400 mark. But around midday, this is the turning point that we end up seeing every day. So now we have cooled off from the day's high. In fact, we briefly dipped below that 21,300 mark as well. But we are trading around those levels right now, and even the Sensex.
Again, the market has recovered, Nandita. Now the Nifty is at 21,360. So yes,
Okay.
the markets have turned volatile.
Yeah.
And
at highs.
it's Christmas time, so I think the bells are moving both ways.
Yeah, they clearly are. But advanced decline ratio, the good thing is that it is tilted in favor of gainers.
Correct.
Initially, it was 5:1, but now, of course, I think it will be somewhere around 2:1. Yeah. If you look at the sectoral movers, most of the sectors were in the green. It was a Nifty Bank index, which had dipped in the red briefly, but now it's back in the green. So we are playing between green and red,
yeah, between
given
green
the fact that, yeah, of course, it's Christmas time. So, aside of that, all the sectors were in the green. Realty, autos, metals, pharma. These are some of the pockets that were doing extremely well today. And if you look at the Nifty Gainers, you have the likes of Tata Motors. Divi's Lab was the top Nifty Gainer, 3% kind of a move coming there. Tata Steel, Maruti, pharma names like Cipla, they were all among the gainers. Right now, among the losers, you have the likes of Grasim, HDFC Bank, BPCL, Reliance Industries,
Correct.
and HDFC Life. Talking about specific stocks, Yatin, Tata Motors active today, given the fact that the company has said that EV industry volumes could grow at a pace of 30 to 40% in 2024. In fact, the company has also lined up 3 new SUV launches in the new year. So it's riding, the stock is gaining on the back of, the positive comments that came in from the management yesterday. Adani Ports is the other one that, is trading in the green, but UBS sees a 10% upside on the stock. So this stock is also fairly active. But mid caps, a lot of stocks active there today as well. Starting with LIC, Yatin, big overhang being removed given the fact that the government has granted an extension. In fact, it has exemption rather, and it has 10 years to meet the minimum public shareholding norms of 25%. Right now, I think the public float is 3.5% and government owns 96.5%. So it has got an extended timeline to meet the minimum public shareholding norms there. But Yatin, other big mover was All Cargo, right? There's been a business restructuring. Take us through the contours.
So All Cargo and Gati, there will be a scheme of arrangement in which Gati will be merged into All Cargo, and then there will be a demerger of All Cargo in which there will be the logistics and the express business, so to say, in one of the companies, and the other company will have the balance business. So 1:1 is the demerger ratio. So it's a scheme of arrangement where the merger happens with Gati and then the demerger happens between the business segments. So that stock is up nearly 7.5% after this corporate action got announced. We have Castrol, which is doing well, 7% up for that one. Piramal Pharma, hits a fresh 52-week high, 140 rupees for that stock. Good going. JB Chemicals, Concord Bio, these are the pharma names which are doing well in trade. What's not doing well is the likes of IIFL. There was a 2 crore share kind of a block deal which happened in trade. According to CNBC TV 18 sources, we have Fairfax, which has sold the stake and marquee investors have bought in. 550, 555 is where the block deals happened, and now the stock is trading around 565 rupees a piece. Polycab, and news reports are suggesting that there was an income tax search which is going on in 40 to 50 locations of Polycab, and that stock has turned nervous right now, down 5%. MedPlus and Varun Beverages are other stock which are cooling off. Yesterday, Varun Beverages moved at 10-12%, and today some profit taking being seen in the counter. But what's doing well apart from these stocks is GAIL. That stock's up 6.5%. Laurus Laboratories is up 5%. LIC, as Nandita was mentioning, that stock has hit a fresh 52-week high and is up 5%. Lodha, Sun TV, Hindustan Copper, BEML, all of these stocks are flying in trade.
Right, Yatin, we've covered most of the movers and shakers in today's session, but markets are extremely volatile. I think once again we are moving towards the high point of the day. The Sensex is above that 71,100 mark now, and the Nifty is up 100 points once again, Yatin. So we are back to where we started the day from, right? So volatility continues at highs, but nothing really to complain about right now because we are back at the high point of the day. But with that, we've come to the end of this midday market mood check. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Come back and join us at 3:30 p.m. on closing bell. But till then, stay tuned to Moneycontrol for all your other news and updates.